If you're wondering how to clone an EverWebinar webinar, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a webinar on EverWebinar so you can streamline your setup without all the hassle. Stick around, because I'll also reveal a cool trick to save time when you're cloning and customizing webinars for different campaigns. First off, let me tell you that EverWebinar is a powerful tool for automating your webinars, but sometimes you'll want to clone a webinar, whether it's for a different audience, a different topic, or even a slight variation in content. Cloning is quick and simple once you know how to do it, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Next thing, to get started, you'll want to log into your EverWebinar account. Once you're inside, head over to your dashboard where you'll see all your existing webinars listed. This is where you'll find the webinar you want to clone. Now, find the webinar you'd like to copy and click on the three dots next to it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the Clone Webinar option. When you do this, EverWebinar will automatically create a duplicate of your webinar. It's that simple. You won't have to set everything up from scratch, and this saves you a ton of time. After cloning, the next thing you'll need to do is make any changes you want to the newly cloned webinar. This is where you can tweak the content, adjust the scheduling, and update the registration page to reflect the new focus of your webinar. You can even update your email sequences and landing pages to match this version. The fourth thing is customization. Once your webinar is cloned, you'll want to double-check all the settings to ensure they match your needs. Don't forget to update your registration settings, such as the thank you page or any reminders you may have set up. EverWebinar makes it easy to personalize each clone so you don't have to redo every detail. Finally, let's talk about saving time with this process. Instead of starting from scratch each time, cloning allows you to maintain the same structure and flow while easily making adjustments to fit your new goals. Whether you're testing out different versions or just want to reuse content, this is the most efficient way to scale your webinars. Remember, you can try out EverWebinar completely free using the first link below and get exclusive bonuses with your trial. This will give you full access to the platform, so you can clone webinars, create automated presentations, and start growing your audience without spending hours on setup. So, if you're looking for a way to duplicate an EverWebinar webinar and save time in the process, cloning is your answer. Don't forget, we've also got a special extended free trial just for you through that link, so you can get started with EverWebinar today and see how it works firsthand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.